UK material.
For those of you that are new to the channel, welcome, and those that are joining us for ever, welcome. In today's session, I will be doing something slightly different. I've always wanted to do this. I think I did mention in my previous recordings that, I love to decor. That's what I do. I think my entire family is like that. So because it's autumn, as you can see, I'm wearing my brown. Love autumn. In the UK, I thought let me just, walk you through how I design my small little space, So today we'll just be doing the sitting room and a little bit of the dining area. I did not buy a lot of things. I'm a Temu girl. I live on budget here, guys, so bear with me there. Sorry, I was trying to use my other fancy speakers, but they're not working. So I'm gonna try and be as loud as I can, but in most cases you'll just should see me working. And okay, here we go. for joining me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed everything that I did. As I said, I did not spend a lot of money doing this, so I'm hoping to also going forward to share more tips. What I also did is I reused a lot of things that I already had in my house. As I said, I left a lot of the faux flowers that I had around the house. I also reused them. I had the little boxes, which is quite interesting. Wait a minute, I think I must show you this. This is quite cool. Oh, I think this is just a box. So I bought these from Temu as well. You just fold them. They look like books, but not so much. Oh, this is just the real. This is my Maggie. I'm trying to do a collection. I like how she does hair, kind of like my style as well. So I hope you did enjoy. If you don't mind subscribing, hit the like button, and yeah, I'm hoping to do, as I said, more